Okay, here's how to pair the wireless module with the receiver in order to display temperature on the control unit. First, you need to turn on the USB ports. Touch this button to turn on the USB ports. And now, click this button here to switch the display mode to temperature. Okay, click it. You briefly click it to switch to temperature display. Okay, here's the temperature display, but nothing is displayed now because we don't connect any wireless module to the unit yet, so nothing is displayed. Okay, now you have the receiver. If you look at this little thing, there is a button here, and what you're going to do is you press and hold this button while plugging it into the USB port. Okay, so keep in mind, press and hold. You have to press and hold while plugging in. Do not release your finger while doing this. Okay, you press and hold and plug it into the corresponding USB port. Now this one can do nothing, and this one is for the temperature module. Okay, so you press and hold and plug it into the USB port. And if you look at this LED here, and it's blinking fast. The amber LED is blinking fast. It means it's waiting for the wireless module to pair with it. Okay, so now this is the right thing. If you see this amber LED is blinking fast. Okay, now what you're going to do next is you have this module. This is the module, and if you look at it here, there's a button here too. And what you're going to do is you press and hold this button too. You press and hold until an LED lights up. The red LED lights up. Okay, you're going to do this. Press and hold. Okay. Okay, it lights up. And if you look at this display, now the temperature reading is displayed. Okay, the temperature readings are all transmitted from this wireless module. Now it's all done. And if you look at this LED again, it's blinking green and amber alternately. Now once the connection is established, you don't have to do the pairing again. Okay, even if you unplug it from the USB port and plug it back in, you don't have to do the pairing. Okay, which means you don't have to press and hold the button anymore. You don't have to do this, and you just plug it in. And the temperature is displayed right away. Okay, even if you want to change the battery, you don't have to do the pairing again after the battery is changed.